Hello guys, welcome back to my channel The Root Tech, and in this video I'm going to explain you how you can install the UiPath on your local machines. Okay, so UiPath is a RPA tool. It's a best tool among the RPA segment. Okay, so let's start with it. So first of all, you need to go with open the Google and just type cloud.uipath.com, and it will take you to portal. So as I have already signed in, so it is already taking me into the directly portals. But for your case, it will ask you to put the sign in details. So you can sign in via Google account, via your Microsoft account, via your LinkedIn accounts. Even if you can start sign in by using any other emails. Okay. So make sure you are in the page of home. Then you can see the button to download UiPath Studio. Okay, so I already have downloaded that .exe file, so I will just go to my download folders and open it. This is the UiPath setup file. Just click on it and it will get opened. So I have already logged in it and created services also. So for your case, it will show as a new services as a by default name, but I already have logged in and create my service, so it's showing. I just renamed my service as Root Tech default. Okay, so if you click on it, it will take you to the portal of service, and it will take you to the UiPath orchestrators. Okay, so I'm here, all the details of your bots and your automation will be showing. So you can trigger your bots, you can manage your bots, all those things will be happening here. Okay, so my UiPath is loading right now. So let's just wait for some time, like just less than 1 minute. See, it's just loading. It's creating the application in Windows and downloading all the plugins required for it. Okay. Was it? So it was not asking me to put the sign in because I have already installed it. That's why. But for your case, it will ask you to sign in. So in that case, you can just directly go with a default URL cloud.uipath.com. Otherwise, you can just click on this my services and just copy this, like this URL, like till the root tech, your accounts and your service name, and after that service name, the orchestrator underscore. Till that, you can just copy it and paste it in the URL tab and get signed in. So I have already did that. That's why that window was not popping me out. It was not pop out. So here we go, and here we install this tool. And most of importantly, one more options it will ask before installation. That's you have to choose three types of studios. First is UiPath Studio Pro, UiPath Studio X, and UiPath Studio. So Pro is for the advanced stage, and Studio is community version, and X is for mostly business purposes which who have less experience in the coding languages. So you have to just go with UiPath Studio community versions, and you can get this done here. And then after it will ask you to select two options out of two. So it will ask to select one, like preview or stable. So you can go with stable because stable has very limited, updates will happen. It's a very stable, no very less update will be happening here. But in the preview, very frequently update will be happening there. But it's always the best practice to go with stable versions. So here you go. Here we almost cover all the things required for the installation of UiPath in our local machines. So if you have any questions or any doubt, you can just comment on my video, then I can answer on it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this will help you out. Thank you.